Hello, my name is Mathias Cramm. I'm a junior researcher at the European Forest Institute, where I'm leading a study on corporate zero deforestation commitments. Everyday products we consume, like the hamburger or chocolate we eat or the toothpaste we use, may contain commodities linked to deforestation like beef, cocoa, or palm oil. Because companies are responsible for producing, sourcing, and trading such commodities, they play a key role in addressing sustainability questions like commodity linked deforestation. And what happened 10 to 15 years ago is that some companies started making zero deforestation commitments to signal their intention to remove deforestation risk from their business. Until now, we don't really know much about the specific motivations why these companies actually made these commitments and what has actually changed in the way that they operate. Existing studies on the topic are often based on document analysis of publicly available company self-reported information like sustainability reports. But these don't necessarily allow us to look beyond how companies present themselves on a surface level, in particular why they made these commitments and whether and how they implemented what they promised. So that is why we are conducting a study on corporate zero deforestation commitments to fill these knowledge gaps. What we want to know is what changes have taken place and which haven't at the companies and in their operation as a result of zero deforestation commitments. This is why we are engaging with companies around the globe through interviews and through a questionnaire to capture their views on why and how they made commitments and what it has meant for their operation. To gather additional third-party perspectives, we are also interviewing non-company actors, including NGOs, to have independent views on the presence or lack of changes in companies' operation after commitments were made. Through the study, we are hoping to provide an enhanced understanding about corporate commitments and efforts around zero deforestation and create an improved knowledge base building on which non-company actors may engage with companies on their zero deforestation commitments.